So hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw a line graph in Excel. Either you are a student, you're analyzing your data, you'll be drawing these lines, or maybe you're doing a tracking or forecasting your sales. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, once you have your data, you'll go and highlight the whole data that you have like this, then go to insert tab, then you can go to this section that says insert line or area chart, then click on it. Then we will pick a line with markers, click on it like that, then boom, your line graph appears. Now here you can add the title. For example, let's go here, you can add the title by checking this. So you can say, for example, on the x-axis, you can add the title here, then also add the title here. Then you can also change the font size using if you want to change the font size, you just highlight Control A, go here, change put 2 times New Romans. The same to this, go to here, change to put 2 times New Romans. Then more, if you want to change if you want to remove the trade lines from this graph, you just click on one of them, and once it highlights, you can see, then you can just delete them. Then you can also put a solid line on this section by clicking on this plus sign. Or once you click on this and click on a plus sign, you go to axis, then you go to more. Once you click on more, it takes you to this section where there's format axis. Then you can select this, then go and put on the line, select solid line, click on it like that. Then you can also increase the width. You can see you can increase the width of that solid line, and since it is not black, it is kind of blue color. You click on it, then you can put a black color there. Then you can do the same for this section. You just click on it, go to this section line, click on solid line like that, then increase the size. You can put black there. Then you can also go back, click on this first, change the color, and like that, it's okay. Then you can also put a box or put a boundary to this thing. Just click on it inside anywhere here. Then you can go to the borders, click on solid borders, increase the size, check if it's black like that, click on black. Then you can see a borderline there. Nice. So you are just editing your graph. And you can also decide to put tick marks on your graph. Just click on either this section, then go to this side where you look for the tick marks. Tick marks are here. Then measure type, put outside like that. The same to the x-axis, measure type, put outside like that. Then you can also change the color of this line. You can just click on it like that, and it will highlight immediately. So then you can go back here, then click on this section, then go to solid line like that. You can see it changes automatically to black. Then reduce the width of your line to either 1.5 or something. Then you can go to markers, the markers that you have here. You can also change them. Just go to markers option, then you can see the type here. You can change the markers type using, so you click on building, then go to markers. You can change the markers type, pick the type that you want. Then you can also change the fill. The fill, you can change the color, take it to solid, the solid fill, then change your color to black like that. Then boom, here you have drawn your line graph, and you have edited it, put some axis title. Then you have edited your graph. Then you can also make sure that these lines are in black, because you can see they kind of look like gray in color. So you can change the color there like that. Then the title, you can also make it black. Then you can bold it if you want. Then that is how simple it is. So if this video helps you, please make sure you like it, you subscribe, and you leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.